Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growingyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And I just wanted to make a quick video. That's why I'm on the mobile and in my bed, because I knew that this is something that's really, really important and something that more people need to know about, because it seems like just most people do not know about it. Most creators do not know about it. And that thing is email marketing. I want to explain to you why email marketing is important and why you should be thinking about building your email list. Now, I'm a YouTube certified marketer. I've grown my YouTube channel to over 35,000 subscribers, all that sort of stuff, and a full-time income online and great stuff, yeah? So I know what I'm talking about. Please listen to me. Please understand that the information that I'm sharing is coming from a place of wanting to help you control your future, basically. So the biggest reason why email marketing is very, very important is because on the platforms that you're probably currently using, like YouTube and Twitter and Instagram and Facebook and all that sort of stuff, you do not have control of communication with your audience. That is controlled by the algorithm of whatever platform you're on or whatever rules they've put in place. For example, if you're on Facebook doesn't want you talking to people who like your Facebook fan page. It does not want that whatsoever, because if you're able to contact people on your Facebook fan page, then you're not going to pay for Facebook ads. So Facebook greatly decreased the amount of organic reach that you have from your Facebook fan page. Organic reach means basically how many of the people that liked your Facebook fan page are actually seeing your posts. It's not high on Facebook. Let's say that. It's not high whatsoever, because they want to push you towards spending money on ads. And this is what most platforms are going to do. They're going to do the best thing, like the thing that's most in their what's the word? I forgot it. Whatever's to their benefit, basically. Like, that's what they're going to do. They're not going to do what's best for you. They're going to do what's best for them and what's best for the end user. They don't really care about creators that much. Like, creators are something that they care about, but they care more about making money, right? They care more about running their business, making money, keeping the customers happy. As long as the customers are happy, and these are free platforms, but if you're on these platforms, you are the customer and you are the product. Like, they're selling you to advertisers. That is what they do. They sell your information to advertisers. And if you're on YouTube and you get like 100,000 subscribers, that doesn't mean that 100,000 people are going to see your video when you put it out. Because on YouTube, the way the algorithm works over there, and I've made a video where I talk about it in depth. I don't know where this is gonna where the finger is gonna be pointing when I upload this video, but basically, if you upload a video and your subscriber doesn't watch that video and then they don't watch the next video, YouTube's going to stop recommending your videos to them, because they're just going to think this person doesn't want these videos. So they're going to stop seeing that. So it doesn't matter if you have 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. That doesn't mean anything in 2019. The only thing that matters is if people are constantly watching your videos. And if you've got, let's say you've got an audience base of people who aren't kids, so they're not children, they've got things that they've got to do in their lives, they got jobs, they got responsibilities, they may not be able to watch every single one of your videos every time it comes out. So you're not able to reach your audience who said, yes, hello, I want your content. You're not able to get your content to them, because your content's just not being shown to them, because you have to rely on YouTube. And this is the same with all platforms. I could go through every single platform and explain why they don't allow you to contact your specific audience, but you're able to do that with your email list. That is what your email list is for. That is what you own. You're able to contact your audience with an email list. you're able to ask your audience to opt into your email list, to sign up for your email list, and then you are able to communicate with your audience, and no one else is in the way except for, whatever provider you're using. Maybe you're using ConvertKit. I'll leave a link down below to them, because that's what I use. I like ConvertKit. Or maybe you're using MailChimp or something like that. But basically, think of an email list kind of like your own personal notification service. So for example, on YouTube, when you put out a new video, you hope that your subscribers see it. And if it doesn't end up in their subscriptions, you hope that they get a notification. If you've ever turned on notifications for a channel, then you'll know that when you get a notification, you get an email sent to you that tells you that this channel has uploaded a new video. And that's what you're able to do manually on your own when you want to. If you've got an email list, you have the ability to notify your subscribers of whatever you want, whenever you want. Of course, if you do it really, really badly, then they're just going to unsubscribe and not want to check out your emails if it's just a bunch of spam and self-promo stuff. So I look at my email list as a place to provide deeper value to the people who are, it's kind of like my inner circle, basically. Like all my other platforms is the outside of the funnel, let's say, outside of the funnel. And as people come deeper down into my inner circle, they get more and more value. So over on YouTube and Twitter and all that sort of stuff, that's my public facing stuff. That's the tip of the iceberg stuff. And then when someone joins the email list, then they get some more of my, my personal tidbits. They hear my stories. I'm giving them the gems, innit? I'm giving them the daily gems because I'm sending out daily emails, and that's also a great thing. But we'll talk about email strategy and all that sort of stuff down the line. I've already done a video on how to get more email subscribers, so definitely check that out. But I just wanted to let you know why email marketing is so important, because you are taking control and you are able to contact your audience when you want to. You don't have to wait for YouTube to allow you to contact your audience. You don't have to wait for Twitter to show your tweet to your audience. You don't have to wait for Instagram's algorithm to be like, yeah, your post is good enough for your audience to see, or Facebook to be like, hey, give me your money so that you can send stuff to your audience. You don't have to do any of that, because you are able to contact your audience directly. And that is so powerful. That is so powerful. Trust me, 10 years from now, the people who are still going to be around are the people who built email lists. Because when the algorithms change, every year or whatever, and you see people crying and people's businesses going under because they're not able to reach their audience, the people with the email list are the people who are going to be over here laughing like, yo, I told you, get an email list. It's so important. And basically all big companies have email lists. They know about email lists. If you buy something from a company, you'll generally get emails from them trying to sell you more shit. But what I do want to leave you with is, don't copy what big companies are doing in terms of their email marketing, because what big companies do is they'll email you once a week or something, if that, and all they're emailing you is about sales or about deals and that sort of stuff, which you can do if your business is very, very targeted towards that. But a better way to treat your email list is, as I've said, treat it as your inner circle, deliver more value. Yes, you can promote and do that sort of stuff, but make sure that most of your email is delivering value and only a small part of it is promoting. And that's how I like to treat my emails, and that's how I like to deal with my email list. And I'm able to, when I release a new video, I can send an email out and let people know that there's a new video to check out, and people will go through that. And then I'm sending traffic to YouTube, and YouTube likes when you are sending your own traffic to YouTube. And the thing with your email list is it's basically traffic that you own. You can send them anywhere as long as people are opening your emails and actually clicking through. But you have the ultimate control. If you want control of your future, if you want control of your audience, if you want to run a real business and you want to build something real and tangible, and you don't want to build something on quicksand, start your email list ASAP. And check out my video on, how to set up your email list. I think I did a video on how to set up your email list and how to get more email subscribers. Check that out. We'll do more videos on that as time goes on, because I think it's just something that's so important. But I know that this is something that people are going to see the title and they're going to be like, ugh, I don't care about that. And they're going to keep it moving. So I have to find a way to get people to understand that it's very, very important. And I don't know how to do that. If you have any ideas about that, leave a comment down below. But question of the day is, do you have an email list? If no, why not? If yes, how many subscribers do you have on there? How many subscribers do you have on there? And what type of emails do you send out? I think that's really, really interesting, because then I can kind of see if you're sending out multiple emails, if you're sending out one email a month, if you're sending out one email a year, which probably some people are doing, and that's why their email list is probably useless right about now. It happens. But let me know in the comment section down below. And if you didn't know, you can sign up for my free course on this. It might be on this screen, but it'll be in the cards. Definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free course. You'll learn the 5 most important steps to YouTube success. And once you sign up for that, you'll get put on my email list and you'll get my daily emails. So yeah, definitely do that. I'm going to upload this really, really quick and probably, get it up within the next 2 days. I'll see you next time, but I do plan to be doing some videos like this where I just have a thought, I want to fling it out, no editing, no flashy anything. I just give you the real spiel, give you the value, and let you do with that what you will. Good luck, have fun, start your email list, let's get involved.